Audio Jungle. This is High Tech News TV News. Kottankulathur SRM Institute of Science and Technology successfully hosted the third edition of the Languages Day celebration, organized by the Department of English and Foreign Languages Faculty of Engineering and Technology. The vibrant annual event showcased the rich linguistic and cultural diversity of India through a blend of online and offline competitions, culture performances, and interactive language booths. The highlight of the celebration was the presence of legendary playback singer Padma Bhushan Dr. K.S. Chitra as the chief guest who delivered an inspiring address. The event was presided over by SRMist Vice Chancellor Professor C. Muthamil Shelvan, Registrar Dr. S. Ponnusamy, Professor Dr. T. V. Gopal and Dr. L. Kavitha Nair. The celebrations commenced with Dr. K. S. Chitra inaugurating the language booths meticulously curated by the BTech students, EFL faculty and research scholars, offering a glimpse into the beauty of various languages and literary traditions. The event also featured a Bharatanatyam performance followed by the release of special tribute titled Echoes of Melody. In her welcome address, Dr. Kavitha Nair emphasized the role of languages in fostering global connections and highlighted the significance of linguistic diversity of shaping societies. Professor Muthamil Shelvan elaborated on the how languages shape thought, bridge cultures, and build inclusive communities. The key highlight of the celebration was the address by Dr. K.S. Chitra, where she remains about her early career and how the legendary Dr. S.P. Balasubramaniam mentored her in Telugu, enabling her to reach audiences beyond her native language. As a special guest, she delighted the audience with a mesmerizing live performance, creating an unforgettable experience. The Languages Day celebration 2025 once again proved to be a dynamic platform for academic discourse and cultural exchange and linguistic appreciation, reinforcing SRM's commitment to promoting language learning, research, and artistic expression at a global level.